Possessions, a two-way street. Why do you cherish your late grandmother's necklace, your autographed football jersey, your collection of vintage Rolling Stone magazines? We respect, even if we don't understand, the ability of objects to accrue not only monetary value, but also emotional value. When we give our time to objects, searching for, purchasing, storing, and caring for them, and looking to them for fulfillment, the objects begin to own us. The debt we then owe makes this more than a quaint philosophical theory. Many of us are quite literally working to pay off our purchases. The curse of being lost in possessions is common in our shared mythology. Jacob Marley and Ebenezer Scrooge, Jay Gatsby, Charles Foster Kane, and perhaps the most dramatic example of all, Tolkien's Gollum. We recognize these archetypes as being dissolute, burdened, obsessed, and unable to enjoy life. While associating ourselves with possessions can become a way of disassociating from ourselves, a separation from possessions leaves us alone with ourselves. We feel like different people because our bodies are who we are without possessions. I am not suggesting we donate all of our worldly goods and don loincloths. Rather, we can seek a balance that removes the stress of living beyond our means. We can see evidence that more people are seeking this balance in the rise of the sharing economy. Many are choosing to buy smaller homes and fewer or no cars. Non-traditional business models like Uber and Airbnb allow us to have the occasional luxury of a car or a vacation home without the long-term financial burden.